wonder why a single 1967 Mustang can hammer down $500,000 and still leave the room hungry for more? Welcome to Car Swag, your pit stop for everything that moves fast and sounds mean. If you like stories like this, hit subscribe now and keep your foot in it. It all starts in the early 90s. Hot rod illustrator Steve Stanford sketches a Shelby GT500 that's been living on red meat and horsepower. Designer Chip Foose turns those lines into fiberglass, flared arches, PIAA fog lights, side exit exhaust, and a set of 17-inch Halley brands. Cinema Vehicle Services grafts the kit onto ordinary fastbacks, shoots them in a moody pepper gray, and gives the world a new silver siren, Eleanor. Fast forward to Hollywood in 1999. The producers of Gone in 60 Seconds need a star car. CVS builds about a dozen. 5 are pampered hero cars for close-ups, the rest are stunt fodder. A bridge jump here, a crusher scene there, and by the time Nicolas Cage yells, "Cut!" only 3 hero cars are still breathing, scarcity locked in. Pop the hood of one Survivor and you'll find Ford's 351 cubic inch Windsor crate motor, good for roughly 400 horsepower, and 4-wheel discs to haul it down. Hit the red Go Baby Go button and a nitrous shot adds another 125 ponies, pushing the on-paper top end past 160 miles per hour. On screen, pure thunder. The look seals the legend. Low nose, twin black stripes, side pipes, and that bullet grill glare. Aggression without the chrome ego. Even people who don't speak car see the outline and say, that's the movie Mustang. The market caught on fast. In May 2024, a licensed Eleanor tribute crossed the Mecum Indy block for $415,000. 4 months earlier, Barrett Jackson sold the first factory wide-body Eleanor for 440 miles. Even backyard builds with sketchy paperwork clear $200,000 without breaking a sweat.
Here's a curveball most fans miss. The exhaust note in the movie isn't the Windsor at all. Sound engineers layered a snarling 428 big block over the live recording to make every throttle blip hit like a sledgehammer. Movie magic, yes, but also a reminder that Eleanor's reputation is 50% metal, 50% myth, and 100% attitude. Want one today? Fusion Motor Company in LA will build you a licensed replica starting around $300 K, complete with modern AC, coilover suspension, and Bluetooth hiding behind an old-school radio faceplate. Or you can order an e-kit online for $15,000, spend 3 years of weekends, and end up with greasy fingerprints on every memory you make. Your call. And the courtroom drama? On May 27, 2025, the Ninth Circuit ruled that Eleanor is a prop, not a protected character. Translation? Build it, film it, enjoy it, no lawyer, riding shotgun. So, with the keys in your palm, do you light her up like Memphis Reigns or tuck her away until the bids hit 7 figures? Let me know in the comments and vote on what we should break down next: Supra, Skyline, or Charger. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll catch you in the next gear.